Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about an incredible drink that can change your health for the better, Moringa tea. Have you heard of it? If not, stick around, because I'm giving you 9 amazing reasons why you should start drinking it right now. Let's dive in. So, what's Moringa tea? It's made from the leaves of the Moringa tree, often called the miracle tree, and for good reason. This tree is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and health-boosting properties. Reason 1: rich in nutrients. It's loaded with essential nutrients. Moringa is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, calcium, and potassium. Just 1 cup of Moringa tea can give you a boost of nutrients you'd normally get from a variety of foods. Reason 2: antioxidant powerhouse. Moringa is an antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation, which is key to staying healthy and preventing diseases. Reason 3: supports weight loss. It can support weight loss. Moringa tea boosts metabolism and helps burn fat more efficiently, making it a great addition to your weight loss journey. Reason 4: balances blood sugar levels. Balances blood sugar levels. If you're looking to manage your blood sugar, Moringa tea can be a natural aid thanks to its compounds that help regulate glucose levels. Reason 5: boosts immunity. It boosts your immunity. Moringa's high vitamin C content and other nutrients help strengthen your immune system, keeping you protected from colds, flu, and even chronic illnesses. Reason 6: enhances skin health. It enhances skin health. The antioxidants in Moringa tea help fight off signs of aging, reduce acne, and promote healthy, glowing skin. Reason 7: reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, but Moringa tea has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe pain and reduce swelling. Reason 8: supports brain health. It supports brain health. Moringa is rich in antioxidants and compounds like quercetin, which can improve cognitive function and even help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Reason 9: detoxifies the body. It detoxifies your body. Moringa tea helps flush out toxins, keeping your liver healthy and improving your overall well-being. So, there you have it. 9 powerful reasons to start drinking Moringa tea today. Whether you are looking to boost your health, lose weight, or simply enjoy a refreshing drink, Moringa tea has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.